I thought you might want to see one of them anyways. I used this Rejuveniqe oil. I washed my hair this morning, went through a fair amount of effort with a blowout, but on day one, I always feel like my hair is a little too poofy. So I use this as a finisher. My all-time favorite way to use this product is the weekly intensive treatment, where I put it all over my scalp, massage it in, and then pull it through my strands. Looks greasy and awesome, but it's like so nourishing. But you can also use it as a finisher. So to do that, it's a little like a dropper bottle, so you press it to pick some up. I'm just gonna put like 2 or 3 drops in my hand and make sure it's sort of evenly distributed on my palms. And then I just kind of pull it through, and you can see how it almost instantly calms down that cuticle. So if you don't like, oh, the other cool thing it does, can you see all these little new growth hairs that like to stick up on their own? You can put a few drops on those and sort of tame those down. So it works really good on flyaways also. Frizzy hair, it's great for calming frizz, but I just love the way it helps my cuticle lay down after a blowout. Hope that's helpful. Now I'm gonna go skiing.